Hello, I am Celery. I help clean your teeth naturally.
Hello, I am Banana. I give you energy.
Hello, I am Broccoli. I strengthen your immunity. Hello, I am Spinach. I make you strong. Hello, I am Pineapple. I help digestion.
I'm sure you have seen these viral AI vegetable and fruit videos. They have gone viral on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube. I'm going to be teaching you how to create this viral fruit and vegetable for either health purpose, educational purpose, whatever purpose you want to use it for, or you can even use it as a medium to teach kids the benefits of vegetables and fruits. You can also start your own YouTube channel, TikTok page, Facebook page, Instagram page using this type of AI videos, and you will go viral in no time, earning you additional source of income. And in this 2026, like I have told you earlier in my previous videos, you do not have any reason not to create content, especially AI content. I'm also going to be your YouTube big sister. You must create AI content if you are interested in this 2026. Let's go so that I can teach you how to do so. The first thing you need to do is go to ChatGPT, and I'll just paste the prompt that will generate the image prompt for me. So I'm just going to say, give me 5 motion prompts with different talking fruits. It will go ahead using the description in the prompt to give me 5 image prompts for my talking fruits and vegetables. Then I'm just going to click on send. By the way, if you want the prompt for this image, just comment prompt in the comment section and I'm going to send it to you. ChatGPT will go ahead and create my prompts for this talking fruits and vegetables. It will go ahead and create 5 prompts for me. You can ask it to create 10. You can also adapt it to different kind of vegetables and fruits if it does not create or include the vegetable or fruits that you want. First, we are going to create those images. I'm going to be using a prompt to create those images. And if you are interested in the prompt for these images, just comment prompt in the comment section. I'm going to share it with you. And the AI tool we are going to be using for creating this prompt is Whisk AI. If you have been following my videos for a while now, you see that I enjoy using Wix to create these images. That is because they come out looking good. So go to Google and type in Wix AI, click on the first link and scroll down to where you have Flow. I prefer using Flow for my image generation. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Flow now, and then it will take me to this window where I'll click on new project. Once I click on new project, I can now go ahead and click on this drop down and choose image creation. I'll just choose create image. You can see. Next, I'm going to click on this menu so that I can choose what I want. I want portrait, and I also want to use Nano Banana Pro for my image generation. So I'm going to pick Nano Banana Pro. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead. I have copied my first prompt from image prompt from ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in Whisk AI. Now I'm going to remove the part where the fruit will say something, because this is image generation and not video generation. I'm going to remove the speech or text this fruit is supposed to say, because I don't want it to appear on the image. So I'm just going to cut out that part. Make sure you do that when you are doing yours too. And then I'm going to click on generate. You can see that Flow is now generating my image for me. All I have to do is be patient till it's done generating. If you are still watching till this point, please do not forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and drop a comment for me. Thank you. Now my first image is ready. It's an apple in a blood vessel. So I'm just going to go ahead and download it. Click on the download button. You can see it. I'm just going to download it, and once I'm done downloading my image, I'm going to make sure also that it's in 2K so that my image will look better. I'm just going to go ahead now and generate the second image for this video. Now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. I'm just going to copy the prompt from talking banana. Once I copy it, I'm going to return back to Flow in Whisk AI to paste it. Here I'm not going to copy the speech, I'm going to cut out the speech so that I can just paste in Flow AI without editing. So I'm just going to return to Flow now. I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to hit on send so that it can generate the second image. The second image is now generating. Please let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying it, and let me also know the outcome of your video. My second image is ready. It's a banana. You can see how cute the first one is, and the second one, okay, I'm just going to scroll up to view the second one. This is the first banana image, and you can see the second one. This is the one I actually used in the video that you watch at the beginning of this YouTube video. So I'm just going to download it, and make sure also you download it in 2K. Further, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the third image. Then I'm going to return to Flow in Whisk AI and paste it. So instead of showing you the entire process of generating the image, I believe by now you understand how to do it. So I'm just going to after generating this third image, I'm not going to show you the remaining images in order to save time. So my third image is now generating. I'm just going to be patient for it to generate. It's a pineapple, and you can see that it looks so good. I'm going to go ahead and download it as usual. And do not forget to download your images in 2K because it makes it so beautiful when you do so. So now that you have learned image generation, let's move to video generation. Now we are going to be creating the videos for these AI fruit and vegetable videos. We are going to be using Grok AI to generate our videos. So in Grok AI, click on create video. Once you click on create video, click on this menu at the bottom right. Then make sure that you choose the aspect ratio that you want. For me, it's 9:16, and also make sure that the buttons that automatically generate video once you upload it is turned off, like you have seen on the screen. Next, click on this plus button and click on animate video. It will immediately take you to your gallery where you can choose the image you want to animate. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose the first video that I want to the first image that I want to animate, which is this banana image. So I'm just going to bring it in and wait for Grok AI to upload your image. Then I'm going to go to ChatGPT and copy the entire prompt for that image. Then go to Grok AI and then paste it. Once I paste it, it is this same image prompt that will generate the video for me. You can see my video is now generating. All you simply need to do is bring back the same image prompt and paste it in Grok AI. While you are generating the video, it will generate the video for you, and it will also include the speech in the prompt. That is the speech that your fruit character or vegetable character will be saying. So,
Hello, I am Banana. I give you energy.
Since I'm satisfied with what it has generated for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the download button to download my video. So next, I'm going to bring in the next image character, fruit character that I want Grok AI to animate for me. I'm going to click on this add image button, then I'm going to click on animate video. It will automatically take me to my gallery where I can now choose the next image I want to animate, which for me is this celery brushing the teeth. And so I'll just paste the prompt I copied from ChatGPT and then send it. You can now see that Grok AI is generating the celery video for me. All I need to do is to be patient for it to download. If you are still watching till this point, please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like this video. Thank you so much. Now the video is ready.
Hello, I am Celery. I help clean your teeth naturally.
Now you can go ahead and create more videos if you like. I'm not going to be showing you how I created the others because that will just waste your time, and you can also bring them together in CapCut. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment if you want the prompt, and let me know if you will recreate this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.